yeah, let's go to this cash envelope stuffing. So I added a category. We'll get there when we do. Oh, so let's see. This is the note that I use to give to the teller so that she knows exactly what I want. So I don't want hundreds, I don't want 50s, I want 8 20s, 8 10s, 10 5, 5 1s. Then that's the total, so she knows after she count the money from in the machine that it has to be this. And this I got from I got it from my shop. I got it from my house. I did it. Actually, this is on my shop. You can search it up in the description box, and it is available for purchase. It is not that much. I think I'm selling it for $2, if not $1. And if you missed my Black Friday's deal, it was 90 cents. I had a 40% off sale on everything in my shop, plus shipping. Like, if you missed it, you missed it. I don't know if I'm going to ever do a 40% off, because 40% off was really dirt cheap. But if I get a lot of traction on my, page, and if Etsy shop, I might do it again. Who knows? As a thank you. But this was 90 cents. Yeah, could have got this for 90 cents. But anyways, enough about me talking about my Etsy shop. But yeah, so whatever. Okay. So this is basically my money. Okay, this is okay. So we're back. If you know where that I got that from, you're a real one. So yeah, so like I was saying, we have our cash over here. We have my wallet, which is where I keep all my cash envelopes that I use on a day-to-day basis. This is my sinking fund binder that I keep all my sinking funds. And this is my budget. So yeah, let's get into it. So like I was saying, I did withdraw some money. Whoa, no, that was not what I was saying. I did use some money after I withdrew and drew the cash, because I didn't get time to come home and do my cash envelope stuffing and budget with me before work. I'm saying a lot of ums. Like, I feel like I'm drawing a blank somewhere in my brain. Right. So I did whatever receipts I had, I put it in this little pouch. So this is why the pouch is just standing here. Matter of fact, she can go right here. So let's unstuff my wallet. So, like always, food is gone, receipt be gone. Oh, if you didn't notice, I found my title, Paycheck 1, and then I put a little bottom washi here. Me, I have $2 left. Whoa, $3. Ooh, I'm rich. So I'm gonna put it aside, and then we'll handle that at the end. Us has no money. Entertainment has no money. This pouch, don't worry about it. This is my new envelope that I will be using real soon. And this is the envelope I use challenges or whatever I feel like challenging myself to do that day. So everything is unstuffed. Let me take out all my trash. Trash as in receipts. Well, I had a penny in this receipt. Let me make sure all my receipts do not have pennies or change, because I do have a penny in here. What is this? This is a salad bar. I was just using whatever money I got to eat. And it was so bad. Like, it was terrible. This video is going to be so long. I just might break up my budget with me and just like put a fast forward clip in the beginning. Okay. So, eating out is getting 50. I did. So, receipt here. Okay. Oh, you can't see it. Okay, well, you don't need to see it. So, eating out gets 50. But I went to Starbucks because I was so early to work. So early to work. And I just ordered some Starbucks and I had to use some of the cash, so I used $5. So therefore, cash eating out is getting, well, food is getting 45. So we're gonna do 2 4s. Whoa, get in line, honey bun. And 1 5 because I already used a 5. Could have broke it down a little further, but me is getting nothing. Us is getting nothing. Entertainment is getting 65 right here. 65. And that is 3 20s. 1. Okay, so that's real. 3 20s. And 1 5. Okay. So yeah, so that's basically, oh no, whoa, almost forgot something. My new category. If you're looking to purchase this and you like this, link will be down below. All my cash envelope where I got it from will be down below. This is for gas and transportation. If you don't get the hint of what will be happening in the next couple of months, if not a month, then I'll just announce it when it happens if you don't get it now. But yeah, so this is my envelope that I'm going to be using for transportation. And I went and used some money. And I put $10. I put $10 in my Metro card. So that means from 50, it's going down to 40 that this will get. Yo, these are so light and flimsy. Like, is this real? This real. It's real. The collar speaks. The boards, the line speaks. This is what happened when you work retail. You know how to check money. I like within that span I was just talking, I checked the money in 3 different ways. Anyways, I mean, I do trust my bank lady, but sometimes these, not these people as in the bank, but like the people that be giving them money. I know sometimes they be trying to give them some fake ones. So that is it for my wallet. Now let's go on to my sinking fund. So yeah, it is about that time. Let's start with the buffer. Okay, no, let's start in order. So car savings is getting 15. That is a 10 and a 5. Christmas is the next one. That's getting $5. Whoa. Outside of myself, I took this. So 25. I normally do this off camera, so I'm really gonna just do this off the camera because it's too much. This video is already long. Francine's birthday is getting 25. 120, 15. Why did that song come in my head? I think I'm around kids too much. I'm not complaining, to be really honest. Okay, online business is after. I try to make it in order, but sometimes it don't happen like that. Okay, online business is getting $5. Okay, so the buffer was basically, let me pull it out because I wrote a card. So the buffer was $15, 15 for passport. So $15 for cash for the passport, and then $10 for house down payments. Okay, now we're going to emergency fund. Oh, my pants. We're almost done, people. Okay, so emergency fund right here is getting 10. Oh my god, this is ripped. It's okay. Oh, I have tape. I dislike when people use the rip method to determine if money is real, because now you just ripped up a dollar bill. Like, you really just ripped up the dollar bill, and somebody else has to deal with that in the future. But anyways, okay, all done. Taped it up. Okay, so emergency fund is getting $10. The next is school. School is getting $10. Next is anniversary, which is getting $5, even though it just passed. Once again, sinking fund, you save year round. Or 6 months before. But yeah. Just want to have a head start. $5 for gift. At this point, I was just sticking money anywhere because I didn't know where to put it. $5 for this. Next one is stickers. Oh. If you see what I see, I have 2 10s left. Okay. Stickers getting 10. I'm gonna just keep going with the flow. Membership is getting... I'm way too tired to be messing up. Membership is getting $2. And then SG Row is getting 3. Okay. Where could I possibly mess up? Hold on. We're back. So I found out where I made a mistake. I went straight from... Oh, sorry. Whew. I went straight from buffer to emergency funds. So there, I forgot doctor. So I went from here to here. Good thing doctor did not have a 10, because I would have been pissed. Because I would have never noticed. Okay. So... 30, 40, 45. Okay, I'm almost at 50 where I can stop because co-pays is like $40. But yeah. Now we have the $3. My rich the $3. Where's that gonna go? Let me see. I'm thinking birthdays because it's coming really soon, so we can use all the money. So that's my rollover. So basically that is all for today's video. The change that I took out will be put into... The change that I put out will be going into my travel jar where I save all my coins, my pennies, my nickels, and my dimes. So yeah, so that's basically it. I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next video. May it not be a longest one. But yeah, so bye.